Hello, friends. Today I will be talking to you about community service. Friends, long time back, about 25 years back, I became a member of the Lions Clubs International. And I learned so many things from there. And the basic thing that I learned was social work. And through that, I could have contact with so many institutions, so many places where we could go and do some job, some good work, that it really helped me all the time. I will tell you a few incidences about how I worked for those people. A long time back, a friend of mine had shifted to our building. She was very new and she had a small daughter. Her daughter's birthday, third birthday, was approaching, and she came and asked me that, well, I'm new to the building and I don't know how to have a birthday party, so please help me out. And I told her, I said, see, you don't know most of the people here, so why do you want to invite them? It's better we can have your daughter's birthday party in an orphanage, and there we can have small girls who will be happy to celebrate with your daughter. So she was quite happy and she says, yes, please plan it for me. So on the daughter's birthday, the daughter, cute little girl, got dressed up, and we took with us samosas and sandwiches and wafers, jalebi, cake and fruity boxes, as well as some drawing books for the girls. And we went to a place where 32 girls of the age of 5 to 11, 12 were kept or were living there under the person in charge. And they had known about it, so they had made arrangements. And the small girl was so excited because the girls surrounded her and they sang happy birthday and they all laughed and they ran around, and it was real fun. And we felt very happy because we made the children sit and we served them all the goodies, and we should have seen the face of those girls when they were enjoying all that food. So it made us very, very happy. And I will tell you another incident. It was my mother-in-law's death anniversary. So I went to a boys' home where about same 30-40 boys stay, and the age is also up to 15 years old only. And the person in charge is very kind, and I went and asked her, I would like to bring lunch for the children. And she said, okay, you fix it up and you can come and do it. And I had it in my mind that I will go to some halwai and I will order puri, bhaji, mithai and all those things, and I will go and feed the boys good food that day. So when I was leaving after fixing the program, there were some boys standing in the veranda, and I asked them, I said, what would you like to have? So they said, fried rice and noodles. So I was quite amazed. I looked at the person in charge. So she laughed and said, you know, outside our building there's a road, and on the road every evening there's a hawker who comes and he sells Chinese food. And all these boys keep looking at it because they never get a chance to have it. So I said, oh, is that so? In that case, will you please order all the food from that hawker, and I will come and I will pay him, and the boys can have what they really want. And on that particular day, I took my children with me and we all went there, and the boys sat down and all of us served them that Chinese food with Manchurian also. And I had taken fruits and mithai and thumbs up, and they really enjoyed. It was a remarkable thing and memorable thing to remember the faces of those boys. And I felt so good that, we have done something that has made a few people happy. So today I have told you such things because I know a lot of you and most of you do some service or the other in your own way. But always remember that when it's a birthday in the family or a wedding anniversary in the family, or maybe someone's death anniversary, please reach out to such places and always give something to eat, because that is what everyone likes. And this is what really matters in life in the long run. I will tell you many other experiences that I have had with my social work some other time. Thank you.